Hi friends, welcome to Market Disha. Today we will discuss how to find institutional buying activity and how to form bias for upcoming session or weeks by using a certain parameters. First, we will do current day analysis to know what exactly happened. Then, by using the today's open type, range extension, value shift, close of session, we will form our bias for the upcoming session. Let's start with the chart. This is a Nifty 50 chart. Time frame is 30 minute. So what we have here is, this is the bullish pattern, this is the bullish activity by the institutional, and the open type is open test, bullish drive. Later on, longer time frame trader extended the range on upside and Nifty closed at the day high. So this shows us that our bias for next day is to be a bullish. So let's see what happened here. The value shiftment is higher, but at the open, this is the selling activity by the institutions, but our focus should be on the long trade because of the previous session. So now here at the value, buyers comes and responses very well, and Nifty goes to the higher level. But this selling activity confirms us that sellers are present here. So we need to be cautious on the higher side. Later on, Nifty falls from the same selling zone and close at the day low here between the value. So our only trade which comes on a 5th of Jan is a bullish trade where Nifty give a 60 to 70 points on a upside after forming our bias on the previous day. Now let's go to the next day. So this is the selling activity, range is extended on a upside. Later on, face the selling and sellers continues to extend the range on downside. Nifty close at the lower side. So open type is bearish, range is extended on a both side, but Nifty is closed at the day low, and value, if you can see, this value is overlapping. So our bias should be a neutral, or market could be go for a sideways. Let's see. So Nifty open below the value. This is the open auction which shows us the sideways market tested the POC. Nifty went up here, and then sellers comes, and again this is the sideways market we can see here. So now for next day, what happened? This is the open auction. Nifty closed at higher side. Now if we see here, the value is on a downside, and the activity here is the institutional selling activity. So on a 7th of Jan, if we want to trade, we need to look for the short opportunity. Let's see. Okay, price reversed here. Nifty tested the POC. Again sellers try to take control. You can see the shadows, and later on Nifty falls to the this level, and market again reached here. So this is the balanced profile, but overall sellers who entered here is continue trying to take Nifty on lower side. On next day, value is higher, but Nifty on a previous day is a balance. So we comes to the day for as a neutral stance, and we can see till the Nifty is trading below the value, we can look for only a short opportunity in the market. So basically is, we need to look for the open type, we need to look for the range extension, we need to look for the value shiftment and the close of session to determine our bias for the next day. And on the next day, we need to also look for, if our bias is a bullish, we need to look for a bullish pattern, or if our bias is a bearish, we need to look for a bearish pattern till the market structure changes. So that's all for the day. Hope you will enjoy it. This is something new for you. Thank you guys. Take care. Good night. Love you.